Here's a current project of ours. We're making this stuff that's like egg crate. With a 3D printer. And I'm going to show you what we're doing with it. We're putting it in the aquarium so it can hold big rocks. You're not supposed to put big rocks just on top of sand, because then you could end up with like one piece of sand and that place will have a lot of pressure that's holding up the big rock if all the pressure is put on one piece of sand or one part of a rock. So we'll put this down and then we'll put the live rock in. Here's the live rock I have right now. We're probably gonna need more. This is the stuff we didn't want to go out and buy. Egg crate for the fish tank.